Every raw material is digitally traced from supplier to finished vehicle. Nothing enters production without full verification. Even microscopic impurities can weaken structural performance. Precision starts at the atomic level. Material optimization reduces waste while maintaining maximum strength. Every millimeter is carefully planned. Material optimization reduces waste while maintaining maximum strength. Every millimeter is carefully planned. Computer-controlled machining delivers tolerances thinner than a human hair. Accuracy here affects every future assembly stage. Laser-guided inspection confirms perfect geometry. Only flawless parts continue. Robots guarantee identical weld placement every time. Consistency is impossible by hand alone. Friction stir welding creates incredibly strong joints. It minimizes distortion compared with traditional welding. Thermal treatment relieves internal stress created during fabrication. This improves long-term durability. Controlled cooling prevents microscopic deformation. Patience protects precision. Final machining aligns future components with incredible precision. Everything depends on these reference points. Surface preparation protects aluminum for decades. Even invisible coatings play a vital engineering role. Every chassis becomes its own digital fingerprint. Nothing escapes inspection. The foundation is finally complete. Now the heart of this machine begins to take shape. Every engine begins as a rough casting with excess material. Only precision machining can reveal its true geometry. The engine block is machined from every direction. Micron-level accuracy ensures perfect sealing. Cylinder geometry directly influences power and efficiency. Even tine variations can affect combustion. The crosshatch texture helps retain engine oil. It dramatically reduces long-term wear. The crankshaft converts combustion into rotational power. It must remain perfectly balanced at extreme speed. Perfect journal surfaces minimize friction. Smooth rotation increases engine longevity. A perfectly balanced crankshaft reduces vibration. It protects every moving component. Titanium combines exceptional strength with very low weight. It allows faster engine response. Connecting rods endure enormous cyclic loads. Accuracy ensures smooth, high-speed operation. Forged pistons withstand enormous combustion pressure. They must remain lightweight without sacrificing strength. Piston rings seal combustion gases inside each cylinder. They also regulate engine oil. Cylinder heads control airflow into every combustion chamber. Their shape directly affects engine performance. Valve timing controls exactly when air enters and exits. Precision here defines engine breathing. Every bolt follows a precise tightening sequence. Uniform clamping protects the engine under extreme loads. Every engine proves itself before meeting the chassis. The first heartbeat is carefully monitored. Hybrid performance begins with thousands of microscopic quality checks. Every battery cell must earn its place. Laser welding creates highly conductive electrical connections. Heat control protects long-term battery performance. Temperature control is critical for battery efficiency. Even a few degrees can affect performance.
The battery pack becomes a carefully protected energy system. Safety and durability are engineered together.
Every battery is tested before entering the vehicle. Electrical safety leaves no room for compromise. Copper windings generate the magnetic fields that create motion. Absolute consistency improves efficiency. Rotor balance is essential at extremely high rotational speeds. Microscopic accuracy prevents vibration. Precise rotor alignment minimizes internal losses. Efficiency begins with perfect assembly. Every motor is validated before joining the powertrain. Efficiency and reliability are measured together. Gear tooth geometry determines smooth power delivery. Every profile is mathematically engineered. Grinding improves surface finish and reduces transmission noise. Smooth gears also increase durability.
Assembly order ensures every component aligns perfectly. Precision today prevents failures tomorrow. Every gear change is verified before installation. Testing eliminates hidden defects.
Separate engineering systems now become one hybrid powertrain. Perfect alignment is essential for performance. The heart of the machine finally meets its foundation. From here, the supercar truly begins to take shape. Suspension geometry determined how every input reaches the road. Precision starts long before the first wheel is installed. Every suspension joint must move freely without unwanted play. Microscopic alignment affects high-speed stability. Adaptive dampers continuously adjust to changing road conditions. They react in milliseconds. Rear suspension manages both traction and vehicle balance. It works together with the hybrid drivetrain. Electronic steering combines precision with instant response. Calibration begins during installation. Carbon ceramic brakes tolerate temperatures beyond conventional systems. They provide exceptional fade resistance. Hydraulic integrity is verified before the vehicle ever moves. Even tiny leaks are unacceptable. The hybrid system depends on multiple independent cooling circuits. Each manages a different operating temperature. Modern supercars contain kilometers of electrical wiring. Every connector has a unique destination. Dozens of computers coordinate every performance system. They communicate in milliseconds. Carbon fiber combines exceptional rigidity with minimal weight. Each layer is placed with calculated orientation. Composite machining requires specialized cutting technology. It prevents damage to the carbon fibers. Composite inspection detects flaws invisible to the human eye. Only perfect panels move forward. The body gains strength as structural panels are integrated. Every panel contributes to overall rigidity. The unmistakable silhouette finally emerges. But its most extraordinary transformation has yet to begin.
A flawless finish begins long before any coating is applied. Surface preparation determines the final appearance.
Gold cannot bond directly to composite materials. A conductive foundation makes electroplating possible.
Electroplating builds gold atom by atom. Thickness is measured in precise microns.
Uniform thickness preserves both appearance and durability. Every reflection exposes even the smallest flaw. The transparent protective layer preserves the gold's brilliance. It also shields the finish from environmental damage. Automotive glass contributes to structural rigidity. Perfect sealing also reduces wind noise. Luxury craftsmanship complements advanced engineering. Every interior surface is individually inspected. Modern lighting combines visibility with aerodynamic design. Every electronic system is immediately verified.
For the first time, the vehicle supports its own weight. Every wheel is balanced before installation.
Modern supercars rely on millions of lines of software. Mechanical precision now meets digital intelligence. Thousands of measurements confirm manufacturing accuracy. Only perfection advances. Performance is verified before the road ever sees the car. Every system must work together flawlessly. The final finish reflects hundreds of hours of craftsmanship. Every detail is prepared for delivery.
Luxury transportation protects the vehicle until delivery. Every shipment is monitored from departure to arrival. From raw materials to a handcrafted hybrid masterpiece, every stage demanded uncompromising precision.